This time I have this question, intersecting of multiple array. So again, this is a very famous question, and I would say that yes. So see, it is a part of weekly contest 290. Yes. So yes, that's why it is a very famous question. So intersection of multiple array. So what we have to do it in. So you know what is intersection. So see this array. I would suggest you see this example. See, nums is equals to a 2D array. Yes, it is a 2D array, but means a array inside an array. So this is an array. These all are an array, and they are inside this array. So okay, this is one array, this is second array, and this is third array. Yes, and see, 3 and 4 are inside this each array. This array also contains 3 and 4. This array contains 3 and 4 as well, and even this array has 3 and 4. Yes, so that's why 3 and 4 is our answer. And if you see, no other word is no other integer is repeating, right? See this 1 and 2, you must be thinking that yes, these 1 and 2 are repeating, but see, yes, they are repeating, but only in two arrays, not more than two. See this third array, 1 and 2 is not repeating anymore, so that's what we have to do. So we have to written this combined array of this 3 and 4. Yes, array of 3 and 4. Why? Because they are intersection of all these arrays. Yes, so that's our question, simple question. So see this example 2. Example 2, we have this array. Okay, inside this array, one is 1 2 3 and second is 4 5 6. So again, if you see, no one is matching, no intersection, we can found the intersection will be null. So we are repeating and we are giving an a null array. Yes, means array which has nothing inside it. So I have told in my videos many times that whenever you have to find any intersection or you have to count something, so to prevent next count, so always use a map. So okay, let's use a map. I will tell you what my approach going to be. So my approach is this. I will create map of first 3 1 2 4 5. Okay, so that map will be look something like this. Map my map would be looking something like this. 3 is 1 3. Okay, 1. See, let me see what is written there. 3 1 2 4 5 3 1 count is 1. Okay, 4 count is 1, comma 5 count is 1, 3 1 2 4 5 or 4 5. Okay, 1 2 4 5. So okay, 2 is also there. 1 count is 1, 2 count is also 1, and 4 count is 1, 5 count is 1. Yes, so this is my map, and let me close this map. So this will be my map, and I'm changing its color, and map is equals to. Okay, so see, this whole thing is my map, and now I will do what? I will start my iteration from here. I will iterate till here, and I will check if suppose in this array, if I found any 3 and 4, I will increase the count of 3. Suppose in this array I found a 3, I will increase count of 3 to 2, and I found a 4 also, I will increase the count of 4 as well, and see, I increase the count of 4 as well. Sorry, 4. See, one count will remain 1 only. And see, I found 1 and 2 also. So I will increase their count also. Yes, that's right. 1 and 2, not 1 and 5. 5 count will remain 1. 2 count will increase to 2. Yes, sorry for that. So now see, in third array, I found only 3, 4, 5, 6. And 3, 4, 5 are common thing here. So I will increase the count of 3. So 3 count will become what? 3 count will become 3. And 4 count will become also 3. Okay, and 5 count will become 2. So now see, we have the length of this array is 3, and see, count of 3 and 4 is also 3. So that's our answer. Yes, the count of 3 and 4 is also 3, and that's why they are our answer. They are repeating in each array, that's why their count is 3. And see, constraint here, if they would be repeating numbers, then it would be I would say towards a medium size side question, or still easy, is still a easy question. But again, we are given constraint that all the values of nums of I is unique, so we do not have to take care of that. So let's create that map first. So I will create map of nums of see, nums of 0, nums of 0 of 0. Okay, so writing code can be tricky for this question or can be not, it depends. So I less than what? I less than nums of 0 of 0. See, this is our first thing. Yes. So nums of 0 is this array only. Nums of 0 is this, and of 0 is, or let me do something like this. Nums of 0 dot length. Yes. Okay, again. Sorry. I plus plus. Yes. So I will go up to where nums of 0 is this array and its length is what? 5. So I will go from 0 to 5. Yes. So now I have to just make my map. Map of, see, I can write something like this. Map of nums of I. Okay. Nums of I. Not nums of I. Nums of 0 of I. Yes. Because 0 of 0 is this 3. 0 of 1 is 1. 0 of 2 is 2. 0 of 3 is 4. And 0 of 5 is yes. Something like this is equals to 1. I'm just making it count. I'm counting its frequency. That's why I'm using map. You can, this can question can be done using set also, I think that, but I'm using map here for simplicity. So okay, we have made a map here. So now what I will do, I will again run a loop from where to where I is equals to 1 and till I less than what, I less than what. So I will go from nums dot length, nums dot length. Yes, I will go to nums dot length, gth nums dot. Okay, so yeah, nums dot length and I plus plus. See, we are using two different for loop. That's why we can use I anywhere. Okay, in same loop, inside same loop, you cannot use I. So that's the idea. So see, I will start from 1 and it will go up to nums dot length. Nums dot length is 3. So I will go from 1 to 2. Okay, again, we are doing it good. So now again, I will start a loop for not that question mark. Let j is equals to 0. J not 0. J is equals to I. Okay, so j will be what first time? So nums of j will be this. See, I is this one. Nums of I dot length. I should write like this. Nums j will go from 0 to j less than nums of I. Okay. Nums of I is this. Nums of 1. Okay. Dot length. Dot length. Yes. And j plus plus, j plus plus. Okay, so am I doing it right? Let me see. J will start from 0. Okay, j will start from 0. So nums of I of j, nums of I is 1 and 1 of j. Yes. Okay, again we are doing it right. And nums of I dot length is here 4 and here it is 5. No, again 4. So 4 4. Okay, 0 to 4. Yes. So if map has what, of nums of what, nums of I of j. Yes, that is 3. Nums of I is this only and j is this. So j will go from 0 to 4 for this iteration. And nums of 1 of 0. So nums of 1 is this and its 0 is this. Then nums of 1 of j will become 1. So 1 of 1 is this. Nums of 1 of 2 is this 3 and 4 is that 4. 0 1 2 3. 3 is that 4. Yes. So like this. If it has this nums of if my map has this nums of I of j, then map of nums of I of not like this, like this, j plus plus. Yes. Okay, so am I doing it right? Yes. Again, see, I've created my map. So do you want to see how will my map look? Look, so console.log. Have I written the right spelling of console? Yes. So map, let's see how our map is looking. So it should look like something like this. So let's see, console.log, and I'm running it. I know this will not give me output. So std out, 1 is 2, 2 is 2, 3 is 3, 4 is 3. See, I told you 1 is 2, 2 is 2, 3 is 3, 4 is 3. Yes, see, 4 is 3 and 3 is 3, 1 is 2 only, and again 5 is 2 only. So that's our map. So we have made our map totally fine. Now I have just have to see those values. See, I'm creating an answer array here. Answer, let ans is equals to empty array. Yes. And for, see, we are using different for loops. That's why complexity will slightly change. We are not using loop inside loop. So let I is equals to 0 and I will go till, now I'm getting bored of this. So I will go from where I less than nums of what, map dot or not map dot length. See, map is what, this only. Map is made up of this array only. So I should write nums of 0 dot length. nums of 0 dot len. Map will have everything which was in 0. Okay, and I plus plus. Yes. So this is my map, and if see, I can copy this. If nums of map of nums of I, map of nums of 0 of I is equals to 3, then uh, ans dot push what, ans dot push what, maps of nums of I. Yes, maps of nums of I. So do you want to see what will be my ans return ans? So if I return this should give me the right output. So let me see, will this give me or not? So see, we are getting output 3 comma 3. Okay, so it is 3. I'm not, I don't want to push its value. I have to push that, sorry, my bad. So I have to push that number only, 3 and 4. I do not have to push its value. So that's what I was doing. See, 3 and 4. But see, it can give you error somewhere, because why? See this test case. Return the list of integer and sorting in ascending order. So we have to sort it once. Okay. So return ans dot, see, every language has their sorting function. So it depends which language you are using. See, I'm using JavaScript, so I'm writing for the sorting function for this. That's how we write a sort function in JavaScript. So if you are from Java, you can have a bubble sort function or something. I don't know what is that. So in C also we have sorting function. So see, it depends on language and language to language. So that doesn't matter. Code will remain same. So a comma b and a minus b. I think like this we sort in JavaScript. So I can be wrong. Let's see. Will this give me right output or not? Let me check. See, it is giving me output array. Fine, and again fine. So if I submit this, that should be submitted, and wrong submission. So okay, output is this and accepted was this, expected was this. So okay, we are not getting any output. Why? Let me see. 10 count is not 3 see, not 3. Array dot length, in our example it is 3, but for this question nums dot length. So see, I did this wrong. Let me check anywhere. Have I done this mistake anywhere else? No. So let me use this test case first, and let me check for this also, this as well. So again, if any error found, so 10 12 13 27 45, 10 12 13 27 45. Okay, now I think I'm correct, and let me see, will this run or not. So see, it is accepted and it is running in 3 milliseconds. So see, if you see time complexity of my code, so this code will run for see, if my array, let me go to that question again. So see, that question is that if my array is like this, case 1, if my array is like this, so see, our array, if suppose our array of nums of 0 is of n length, so this function will run up to n length. Yes, this will run up to n times, so its complexity is O of n. This is running O of n square. Why? Because see, it is running n times. Suppose the array dot length is n. Okay, and inside that it is also running m times, each m times. So O of n square, kind of O of n square. Yes. So O of n square, that is O of n. So O of n square plus n, that will remain O of n square, or O of m into n, you can say. So see, this is our O of m into n, and now at last we are checking also. Suppose I told you, suppose its length is n. So again this loop is running for O of n. So O of m into n plus O of n, again O of m into n. And see, now at last we are using this sort function. This is of a log n log n. So m into n log n O of something. So let me see. Analyze complexity. Is there any? Okay, I think I cannot analyze its complexity. Accepted, and if I see, so okay, no complexity analysis is there for this question. I think because this is a weekly contest question, but you can check. It should be something like O of m into n log n. So m into n log n, yes. So that should be the answer, but it is, we cannot analyze complexity here, so that's totally fine. Um but see, there are ways. See, if sort is not given, then it would be O of n square, but I think we can, there could be a way we can do this in O of n, but I found this best way of O of n square only. So because see, there, this array is a 2D array, that's why we are doing it O of each operation. Suppose if you do any operation, you have to run loop your loop twice. That's why it is O of n square. Why? Because inside first array first. Okay. Then inside and then inside it sub array. That's why O of n square in most cases. I cannot found any O of n solution. So for this. So thank you so much. That was my solution for this code, and thank you so much.